Gadgets are all over. And today we are going to talk about one of the major brand out here on our channel. Yes. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel because here you will get your favorite gadgets from your favorite models and your favorite brands out here. And now when we talk about a gadget and laptops or mobiles, then we have got some exciting things for you. Yes. Today we are going to talk about Apple's MacBook A1342 out here. Yes. Talking about this MacBook, then we can say that this is really a good variant out here. As well as when we talk about this variant, then we can say it was a mid 2010 release model. Yes, if we talk about this variant, this is really a great version out there to have this kind of a version because MacBook is really something we all adore. Yes, we all adore MacBook a lot. And when we have a MacBook A1342 out there, which was mid 2010s model out here, we really adore it because it has got really a great specifications for itself. Yes, if we talk about the specifications, if we talk about this gadget, then we can say that this variant has got really a great height, depth, thickness, everything is really good out here. You talk about its height, like you talk about how lengthwise it is, you can say that it's really good, offering you 2.74 centimeters of height, whereas it offers you a weight of approximately 2.13 kgs. Like weight is quite less, yeah. Look, almost you can say 2 kgs weight is really less, not very heavy out here. But yes, since we have seen very thin models out here, we can say that yeah, as compared to now today's generation laptops, models, MacBooks, iPads, everything, they are slightly heavy. But if you talk about 2010, then we can say as compared to 2010 models out here, all the variants released out in 2010, this was very lightweighted version, as well as it has got a good width, so you get to have a great screening out here. Now the screen is really good. Overall, if we talk about the size, then it has got 13.3 inches screen size. Yes, this is the overall size if we talk about. Now let us talk about some technical things. Like technically, if we talk about the processor it uses, so what kind of processing system it has inbuilt in it, everything out here, so let us talk about that also. Talking about the processing system inbuilt in it, it has got a Intel processor out here of 2.4 gigahertz. Yes, you find 2.4 gigahertz internal processing system out here. As well as when we talk about this variant, then we can say it has got a good Intel Core 2 dual processor. Like this is overall a very good version. As well as it offers you a good storage capacity out there. Yes, it offers you a good storage capacity. And when we talk about this variant, then we can say that it offers you a 2 GB RAM quality out here. Yes, 2 GB RAM quality can be seen out here. Along with that, you also get to see that this offers you a front side bus out of 1066 megahertz out there. So overall, if we talk about this internal small part, that is the Intel processing system out there, then it is really good. Talking about the this variant, then we can say that it has got two DIMSS slotations out here, which supports approximately 4 GB out there. Yes, it supports approximately 4 GB out there. You can have that 4 GB externally out there. As well as if we talk about this variant, then we can say that it internally have a good storage capacity. So RAM is good out there, as well as we have all other things. Talking about this variant, then we cannot neglect out the fact that MacBook, if we talk about Apple's MacBook, not A1342, but MacBook, then we can say that they are usually PVC free, they are reduced packing volumes out there, they have mercury free LED backlit display. So there are a lot of things which MacBook specially has. If we talk about MacBook and especially this variant, then we can say it also follows all those criteria which are environment friendly. Like if you talk about the display of it, yes, if you talk about the display from which screen we are looking out, it is actually mercury free LED back displays. This is really good. Backlit display we have seen in gadgets like smartphones out there. And when we talk about this variant, then we can say mercury-free LED backlit display is also a good version, because mercury-free display is really very rare out here. As well as you get to have that this display has a good glass system of arsenic-free display glass. We know that arsenic glasses are quite tough out there, but we also know that it might harm us, and it might harm a lot of screening as well as the light involved in this. So there are a lot of harmful things out there. So if you get a arsenic free display glass out there, then that's really great out there. As well as you get to have a recyclable polycarbonate enclosures in it. Yes, you get to have this recyclable polycarbonate enclosures. You get to have a reduced volume packing. So the reduced volume packing works very well out there. When we talk about this variant, then we can say that it offers you a support system of 16M colorization, and in fact more supports out there. Colorization is very good out here. As well as when we talk about this variant, then we can say that it offers you a good resolution. There are different native resolutions out here, but if we talk about the main agenda or the main box out here, which offers you a resolution of 1280 into 800 resolution, that is the native resolution, that is the default resolution out here. Apart from that, you can definitely change out the resolution if you want. There are a number of specifications and number of settings involved in it, where it helps you to change out the settings. You can change out the settings as you like. And when we talk about this resolution capacity, then we can say that it offers you a graphic processor of 320M. Yes, 320M graphic processor can also be seen out here. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, it offers you 256 MB of DDR3 out there, which is a shared memory with the main memory out there. So overall, if we talk about the graphics, processing, memory, and these kind of things, then they are very good out there. If we talk about this variant, then we can say it has got an iSight camera with mini display port. So this is also inbuilt in it. Most of the laptops have a most of the pods or most of the gadgets have a camera out here, and you get to have a iSight camera with a mini display port out there. When we talk about this variant, then we can say the video outputs involved in it is really good. What do we mean by video outputs? Like if it has got a good colorization, it has got a good resolution, a good screening, then the output we get not just in video but camera, photos, any document, everything is really good. Now if we talk about this video output, then we can say it offers you a good video output, as well as the audio is also good. Now let us talk about the keyboard inbuilt in it. Yes, the keyboard also plays a very important role in every gadget. When we talk about the keyboard, then we can say it has a full size keyboard of you can say all the functional keys. Depending upon the variant where it is released, yes, if it is a US released model, then it has got 78 keys out here. If it is iOS release, then 79 keys out there. So there are approximately all the functional keys which are involved in any native place, they are there. These keys include the 12 functional keys also, 4 arrow keys, and inverted T arrangement. Yes, there is an inverted T arrangement out here. So in short, we can say that this laptop has all the specifications which every MacBook or every gadget looks for. Apart from that, it has also got a since it's a laptop, then we cannot say that the additional mouse point we need. Yes, mouse is given out there, which can be connected out there, but apart from that, you get to have a touch tripod out here, or you can say a touch area, multi-touch area, which functions for the mouse control. Yes, that functions as a mouse control, which you can use for rotating, you can use for selecting out or moving your text out there. Anything could be done out there. Now, when we talk about this variant, then we can see that speakers really work well out there, because if we need any gadget, then the audio plays a very important role. It has a stereotype speakers. It has got a omnidirectional microphone. Omnidirectional microphones means that when you say something, then you get to hear it. Yes, you get to hear it. It's not like you speak, then you get to hear, and then also you hear. It's not that. It's like one directional out there. You also get to have a support of Apple iPhone handset out there along with combined digital output. Yes, it's really amazing that it is not just giving you an input out there or a normal output, but a digital output is a must out there. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that it has got uh, apart from mini display port, it has got two USB ports out there which are used for USB connecting or the pen drives out there, anything out there. It has got mega safe port out there, power port, which is known as, which is for the power button, as well as has got a lock slot out there, audio input and output, that is for the jack system. We said that is for the jack system. uh, Now if we talk overall about this variant, then we can say that it has got a good battery life, as it has got a good battery life, offering you a battery with a wireless charging of up to 10 hours. Yes, it can last up to 10 hours. That is a good battery life, we can say. Apart from that, if we talk about the inbuilt battery life, then it is 63.5 volts battery life out there. Yes, 63.5 volts battery life. Now talking about this variant, then we can say overall this variant is really good. But what do you get in this variant on this box out here? When you unbox it, you get to have a MacBook, that is the handset out there. Yes, you get to have your handset also. You get to have a adapter, that is for the charging adapter, a data cable along with it, or you can say the plug-in points or the plug in it. So that is a proper charger out there, we say. Software DVD out there, you also get to have a software DVD, or you might have inbuilt software in it. If you don't have a software DVD, then inbuilt software might be there, and a user manual, as we all know that user manuals are must. So this is all you get to have in this variant when you check out this version out there. This is Apple's Mac A1342 out here for you guys. And let us go to a site which offers you great pricing for this, because having a price for such gadget in a pocketable range is a must. So let us visit a site also. And this is the site I'm talking about, and the site name is just at click.com. Yes, the site name is just at click.com. That has been highlighted out here. Or you can check in the description box also. Why I choose this website, or we can say why this website is really nice, because it offers you n number of functionalities. You get to have your favorite gadgets out here in your pocketable rates. You can repair your gadgets out there, as well as when we talk about this gadget, there is a search icon. Yes, you get to have a search icon where you can search your favorite gadgets out there, and you can have your favorite gadget and you can just search it out. Yes, when we type on the search icon, you get to have this kind of a version. So this is the result for our search, and when we check the results, we get to see that this is the our result of Apple MacBook A1342 laptop. It is coming with a free bag. Yes, with bag free. You get to have an additional benefit out here. You get to have a bag free along with it. As well as you get to see that there is a description box out here having all the specifications mentioned out. Apart from that, you also get to see that this variant offers you a category of condition, product type condition, that is refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition and know what is refurbished out. Talking about refurbished product, we can say that refurbished products and brand new products are quite similar out here. Yes, only the difference lies out in the pathway, and nothing is, they have actually the same pathway used out. Whereas when we talk about brand new, that is extremely from the company, that is the base. It is from that itself. Whereas the refurbished are from a pre-owned users. Yes, you get to have a pre-owned gadgets, but does not mean they have been defected, they are not being checked, they are checked out. In fact, they have been tested, verified, everything is done out there. As well as when we talk about refurbished product and brand new products, the difference lies out in the passage, in the pathway, we can say. Like we say, every gadget follows a pathway which is a base, mediator, and the consumers. Yes. Base is nothing else but the company or the owner of that gadget. Yes. For the brand new, it's always the company. For base, it's always the company out there. But for refurbished product, we can say that the base becomes the user, because whichever person or whichever marketplace or anything which owns that gadget is the base. Mediator is always the same, the marketplace. Now this marketplace is a vast marketplace. It can be anything, an online site, an offline sites, multiple steps marketplace. Everything includes a marketplace. And the consumers are us. We are the consumers out here who are actually doing nothing else but checking out the products, buying them like this. So now talking about brand new's pathway is this, that we have a company which originally brings out every new gadget, then it is released out in the marketplace, and from the marketplace we as a user have that gadget. Now when we have this gadget, what happens? Now we are the owner, we are the sole owners of this gadget. So this has been pre-owned. Yes, now this gadget is pre-owned, and this pre-owned gadget is now refurbished. Now when we come, now this user, we becomes the base for the refurbished gadget. What happens now is that now we are owning this pre-owned gadget, now we want to resell it. So we resell it and we bring it back to the marketplace. It tests it, verifies it, whether it's good in condition or not. Everything, whatever the company has stated, is having all the specifications or not. Everything is being stated out there. After that, what happens? After that, it is absolutely rechecked and is brought under the category of refurbished for reselling purpose. And now another user, not the same user, but another or different user have this gadget. Yes, this is the whole pathway involved. Now, when we talk about pathways, we have been very clear about the pathway. That company से users तक का brand new pathway होता है, and whereas user से new user तक का refurbished gadget हो जाता है. What are the parameters involved? If we talk about the parameters, there are n number of parameters specifications involved in a gadget for refurbished products. These parameters includes the external and internal functions. Yes, when we talk about external functions, then external functions includes the external things which we can see through our eyes, like the size of that gadget. Yes, if we are talking about laptops, then we can say that the laptop size is good or not, it has scratches or not, the back cover or the back screen is good or not. If it is non rotational, then how is it? If it is rotational, it is rotating fully or not out there. If it's 360, how is it doing out? Keyboards, yes, the buttons on the keyboard, the print on that keyboard, everything has to be checked. The buttons intactness, yes, the buttons, they are actually working properly or not, that has to be checked. As well as we check out that whether the gadget is offering you all the functionalities, like if it has a 3.5 jack or the jack system in it, it is working or not, USB is working in this or not, power button, or even the charger out there which is given with this is working good or not. If it is a camera version, like if it has a camera, then the camera is working or not, if it's giving a good quality picture or not out there, connectivity is going well or not. Like these are the external factors. Connectivity comes under the internal factors, but we are just in general telling you externally, whichever you can see. If you talk about the mouse, whether it is having a mouse or not, if it's connecting with that or not, everything. And now when we talk about these external factors, these are checked out with a very advanced or the experts out there. And after once it is checked out, yes, once it's checked out, then we go to the internal factors. Internal factors involves yours, like or whether it's giving a good connectivity, RAM quality, internal processing is going well or not, because internal functionality is must, because these are the things which need to be not just checked with the experts, but with a testing tool also, and we need specified equipments to test them. each and every function, whether it's related to its core processor, its internal processors out there, its battery life, or the internal elements involved in it, whether it's connectivity out there, whether it's speaker out there, it's microphone out there, you talk about its storage, data connectivity, anything you talk about, any gadget in any phone or in any laptop, all the functions which a company states or the brand states has to be checked out. So in short, we can say that refurbished and brand new products, testing, structure, functionality, everything is same. Yes, they are absolutely same. Only the difference lies out in the pathway. Brand new products are absolutely untouched, they are new, whereas refurbished are pre-owned gadgets. Yes, they are once pre-owned gadgets now. After testing, what happens is they are now in good quality, they are good for the service out there, so you get to have these products. Now when we talk about refurbished products, why we are talking about them? Do they offer you any advantage over brand new? Yes, it offers you few advantages, benefits out there. Number one is the pocketable rates. Yes, you get to have your favorite gadgets under pocketable rates. So this is one of the most amazing feature out there. That pocketable rates are there. You avail your favorite gadgets, your favorite laptops, mobiles, your favorite screens, any gadget out there in your pocketable rates. Now, what does this pocketable rate helps you out? It helps you to save up to a great savings. Yes, you get to save a great savings out there. How? When we talk about brand new products, we know that these are quite expensive out there because they are new launches out there. So they are slightly expensive. Whereas when we have this refurbished product, they are slightly, we can say, cheaper than the brand new ones. Or we can say they are quite pocketable, in short, we can say that. So you get to save a great amount of savings. Since we know that brand new products offers you 1 year warranty, but refurbished hair has a good advantage, or you can say a good function in this, that it offers you 6 months warranty. Yes, generally it happens that pre-owned gadgets do not offer you any warranty period, but if you have a condition that is refurbished, you get to have 6 months warranty also. You get to have a 6 months warranty period along with 7-day exchange policy. Yes, you get to have 7-day exchange policy along with that. So these are the benefits of having a refurbished gadget. So now when we talk about this gadget, let us go back to the site where we were talking about, from where we came to hear this refurbished word. So talking about this website, we are at justatclick.com. Yes, the website name is justatclick.com. Here you get to have your favorite laptops, your favorite gadgets. This site is especially for the laptops. Yes, this site is especially for the laptops, so you all can check out this website. On Google, you have to type at justatclick.com. That's the website name out here. I have highlighted the website name, or you can go in the description box. There is a link. You can click on the link also. This search icon helps you to search your specified gadgets out there. As well as when we talk about this site, we can say that this site offers you a great range of uh, savings, as well as it offers you free home delivery. Yes, free home delivery. There's money back guarantee, which I already told you, 7-day exchange policy. And now when we talk about free home delivery and COD is also available out here, as well as you get to have top categories, or there are the categories out here mentioned for the laptops out here, your laptop gadgets out there. You can check out from these reputed companies, these reputed brands out there. Now let us talk about the shipping timing also. In most parts of UAE, it takes up to 48 hours shipping timing, whereas in Saudi, it might take up to a week. So you can definitely check out the website for your delivery area. The website link has been given in the description box. You can check it out. And if you're new to the channel, do subscribe it, because here you get all the latest information for your gadgets out there and the best pricing for your latest devices. So justatclick.com is a place where you get your favorite laptops in your favorite affordable pricing. Yes, the best marketplace out here for the best pricing. Till then, take care.